Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in on the hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays, hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and Lilo Crafts. I will link both of their channels down below. Here is the first embellishment that I made. It is the Tim Holtz Sizzix Snowman, and I used this die. It's the Winter Wonder Snowman. What I did was I made a couple of these and then I turned them into Christmas cards. This one I added some 3D items to it because I'm going to be giving someone the card that has this one on it. And then I chose to make these ones flatter so I could drop these in the mail. Along with using this die, I stamped the insides of the cards with "We wish you a Merry Christmas" and a Happy New Year stamp. I used this paper that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I used glitter snow, and I used some stickles. And this is what the snow looks like after you put it on. When you put it on, it looks really white, but when it dries, it just dries with glitter. And I used just some chunky glitter on the bottom, and this is some liquid enamel dots. And those are my projects that I used with the embellishment that I made. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.